Hello everybody, here we are down at the duck pond. Got a big old Canada goose on the nest box out there. We got red-winged blackbirds right here up close. Yeah, they're singing. Mallards out there swimming around under the nesting platform that the Canada goose already sitting on an egg maybe. Look who's over here on the sidewalk. There's her husband right there. He's up here eating in the grass. Yeah, buddy. Life is good. Red-winged blackbirds. Got it on telephoto. Let me zoom it back out. Sorry for jerking you around there. There we go. Little duck pond right here in town. Mallards swimming out there. Go down here. See if we can talk to it. Big old gander. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. He's right there. It's all right, buddy. How you doing, buddy? Oh, don't get out in the street. I don't want to push you out in the street. It's okay. It's okay. Get out of the road, Bubba. Oh, he's running out in the road now. Come on, get back up here in the grass. There's our red-winged blackbird artist. Go over here and see if I can see these guys any better. Oh yeah, definitely thawing out. No more ice skating now. Well, there's ducks and geese all over that little island out there. How y'all doing? Trying to make a little video for my YouTube channel.
Well, hey, great.
Yeah. Hey puppy, good dog.
That's pretty slick.
Yeah, my mom gave me this little camera for Christmas.
Oh.
I don't know if you want to be on the video or not, but my name's Kirk. Oh, that's all right. You don't have to take your glove off. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thanks to you too.
Yeah, you're out walking your dog?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah, oh
Yeah,
yeah.
my mom gave me this camera for Christmas, and it's high definition and kind of a action sports camera. People wear them on their helmets and stuff, skiing and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm having fun with it.
Yeah, I bet you are.
Oh yeah. And, you know, and this is not the big African safari, but this is a nice spot.
Oh yeah.
I like this spot. I come down here, eat my lunch when I was substitute teaching over at Sentinel.
Oh,
And gophers walk right up the sidewalk, you know, and want you to give them a potato chip, but I won't feed them.
Yeah, they're always out here begging.
Yeah. Beautiful spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you like it, don't you? Do you like chasing the gophers? That pretty dog. Yeah. Good dog. It's okay. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Do not feed the ducks and geese.
Yeah, don't see the ducks or the geese. Well, I bet you are having fun with it.
Yep, I'm having fun with it. Thanks for my Christmas present, Mother. Oh, there goes a dove. That's that Chinese dove with a little black ring around their neck and a round tail. It's not a mourning dove, is it?
No, I got a couple of them that come up in my yard.
Uh-huh. There's a lot of them in town.
Yeah, they've been here all winter.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
They don't migrate like the mourning doves do, huh?
No.
They stayed.
They go. Well, the 1st of September, they're gone.
Uh-huh.
The morning doves, yeah.
Yeah, we used to hunt those doves down in Texas, the mourning doves, and oh, they're good eating. But these Chinese doves, I wonder if they got out of a pet store or something. Somebody brought some. I don't know how they got here.
Yeah, I've never seen them before this year.
But the Fish and Game says you can shoot them year round. You don't even have to have a license.
Really?
Yeah. I bet they're good eating, just like a mourning dove. But
Right.
down in Texas, all us hillbillies, we're shooting a bird apiece, you know? Shooting those doves. Having a lot of fun. Well, it's nice visiting with you. I'm going to go try to get a picture of these ducks over here.
Yeah, there's one on the nest there.
I saw that. That's a goose, isn't it? Canada
she
goose.
She started to set about 3 days ago.
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I was down here the other day taking pictures. Yeah, that's a big old Canada goose.
There's another couple of geese over here, but they're not setting yet.
They're not setting yet. I saw her mate. He was right there eating grass just a minute ago.
Well, have a great day.
All right, you too. Have a good one. All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun. Mallards out here swimming around, chasing each other. There's another nesting platform over here. And they get out there on that one too. It's pretty high up in the air. Let's walk down there, see if we can see some gophers. Sun's coming out. Sun's coming out. Sunshine, blue sky. Oh, there's my buddy back there. My buddy, oh, just like that nice man said, there's a couple more geese right down here, another pair. They're just eating grass, but he said they're not sitting yet. They don't have an egg yet. How you doing? Oh, oh, it's okay. Oh, okay. Pretty birds. Oh, oh. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Oh. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Pretty birds, yeah. Pretty birds. Okay, I don't want to bother you. Okay. Go down here and get in a big old flock of red-winged blackbirds. Windy again. Hope you can hear me. Oh, there's gophers around. Gophers. Gopher mundos. So, yeah, this is, like I was saying, not a big African safari, but sure is fun to have this little spot in town. Run down here. There's gophers out there chasing each other. They're chasing each other around. But you're in a high-density subdivision neighborhood and all this, and in town, and it's pretty far from downtown, but still high-density subdivisions all around, and all of a sudden you've got these two duck ponds and a creek flowing through here, and all these gopher holes, and you know, the red-winged blackbirds, you have Canada geese, mallard ducks, and other nests here. They fly back up here down there at Houston on the Gulf, and they come out here and nest. And you'll come out here, you know, later on in the spring, and there'll be a pair walking around with 11 little yellow puffballs, little goose down gold yellow goslings, Canada geese goslings. They're awesome. They're awesome. Well, I should have tried to get some more pictures of those red-winged blackbirds down there. I don't see any right here. Oh well. There's someone down there singing. Gophers right there. red-winged blackbird. Take care of your friends and family. Protect each other. Please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel like I was asking. And hope you have a great day. I'm going to sign off. Have a good one. Adios.